cheesy potato casserole or funeral potatoes. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups sour cream, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1/2 cup melted butter, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon onion powder. Add in 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese. Mix well. Once mixed, add in 24 ounces thawed cubed hash browns. Move to a 9x13 greased casserole dish. Top with 3 cups crushed cornflakes mixed with 1/2 cup of melted butter. Bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.